Hey guys, I just got my invite from Auntie Eniola Ajao. You guys know that tomorrow is our movie premiere and we are turning up. Like, we are turning up. I said I'm going to come to Nigeria. You guys don't believe me. Let me show you my invite. She knows I'm special, so she put a lot of things inside my invite. So let's start with this. Mommy of Lagos. Okay, this is my invite. Can you see? Bob. She even wrote my name. Bob. Then we have spray. We have this. We have this. Auntie Anna, don't kill us. Like, you're spoiling me.